Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer. Today, we've got something special for you, the Lian O11 Vision White ATX mid-tower computer case. In this video, we're going to dive deep into this stunning piece of hardware, covering its features, design, and performance. The Lian O11 Vision White boasts a sleek and modern design with a predominantly white aluminum and steel construction. The tempered glass panels on three sides offer an unobstructed view of your components. It's a mid-tower case with dimensions measuring 18.9 by 18.29 by 11.97 inches. The build quality is top-notch, with a sturdy frame and premium materials. This case is all about user-friendliness. It features a modular and toolless design, making installation a breeze. The case supports various configurations, including up to 2x360mm radiators and 1x240mm radiator, along with a maximum of 8 fans. The Lian O11 Vision White excels in cooling. It comes with 27mm tall feet and a hollowed bottom design to increase cold air intake. The dual-chamber layout, along with a cable management compartment and cable holders, keeps your build tidy and helps with airflow. The case supports ATX, under 280mm, ATX, micro ATX, mini ATX motherboards. It's worth noting that this product is designed for use in the US, so international users may need an adapter or converter for their electrical outlets. The Lian O11 Vision White ATX mid-tower computer case is available on Amazon for $149.99. In summary, the Lian O11 Vision White is a premium mid-tower case that combines aesthetics with functionality. Its modular design, excellent cooling capabilities, and top-notch build quality make it a standout choice for PC enthusiasts. That's it for our review of the Lian O11 Vision White ATX mid-tower computer case. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell to stay updated with the latest tech reviews. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next one.